With the rapid growth of social media platforms, many businesses and entrepreneurs are recognizing the importance of having a solid online presence. This has created numerous opportunities for individuals to earn a steady income by managing social media accounts from their homes. If you have good communication skills, creativity, and a knack for understanding trends, you can turn social media management into a profitable career. In this video, we will explore various ways you can make money managing social media from home. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding the role of a social media manager. A social media manager is responsible for overseeing a company's presence on various platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others. Their main goal is to engage with the audience, increase brand awareness, and drive traffic to the business's website or online store. This role involves creating content, scheduling posts, interacting with followers, analyzing performance metrics, and often running paid advertising campaigns. As a social media manager, you act as the voice of the company on the internet. Your job is to craft a consistent brand image and create meaningful connections with followers. This requires good communication skills and the ability to adapt the brand's message to different platforms. Understanding how to utilize each platform's unique features is also essential. By mastering these aspects, you can offer valuable services to clients and command competitive rates. Number 2. Identifying the right platforms to specialize in. One of the first steps in becoming a successful social media manager is choosing the right platforms to focus on. Each social media platform serves different purposes and audiences. For example, Instagram is ideal for visual storytelling and appeals to a younger audience, while LinkedIn is more business-oriented and works well for B2B content. Facebook is versatile and reaches a broad audience, whereas TikTok is known for short, engaging videos and trends. Decide on one or two platforms to specialize in, especially if you are just starting. By narrowing your focus, you can become an expert on those platforms and stand out to potential clients. Once you become more experienced, you can expand your skill set to include other platforms. Make sure to stay updated on new features and changes in the algorithms, as social media is constantly evolving. Number 3. Building a strong portfolio. When offering your services as a social media manager, having a strong portfolio is essential. Your portfolio should show your ability to create engaging content, grow followers, and manage interactions. If you are new to the field, consider working with a few small businesses or nonprofits for free or at a discounted rate. This will allow you to build a body of work that you can show to potential clients. Include case studies in your portfolio that demonstrate your impact. For example, show how you helped a client increase their follower count, boost engagement, or achieve specific marketing goals. Use concrete numbers and graphs to back up your claims. A well-documented portfolio will make you more appealing to prospective clients and justify higher rates for your services. Number 4. Learning to create high-quality content. Content creation is at the heart of social media management. As a social media manager, you'll be expected to create various types of content, including images, videos, infographics, and written posts. It's important to develop basic design skills using tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop and familiarize yourself with video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or even mobile apps like InShot. Focus on producing content that aligns with the client's brand identity. Understand the type of content that performs well on each platform. For example, Instagram is ideal for visually appealing images and short-form video content like Reels, while Twitter focuses on concise, text-based updates. Learning to craft compelling captions, use appropriate hashtags, and optimize posts for engagement will set you apart from other social media managers. Number 5. Mastering social media analytics. Data is crucial in social media management. It tells you what's working, what's not, and how you can improve. Learning how to analyze social media metrics will help you create data-driven strategies that drive results for your clients. Familiarize yourself with platform-specific analytics tools like Instagram Insights and Facebook Analytics, and third-party tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social. Pay attention to key performance indicators, KPIs, such as engagement rate, reach, follower growth, and website traffic. Use this data to create monthly reports for your clients. Providing insights backed by data will help you build credibility and establish a strong relationship with clients. This approach also allows you to show the actual value of your work, making it easier to retain clients and ask for referrals. Number 6. Developing a pricing strategy. Pricing your services can be challenging, especially when starting. You can choose to charge by the hour, offer a flat monthly rate, or create package deals that include different services like content creation, scheduling, and paid advertising. Research what other social media managers are charging to get an idea of industry standards. Consider your experience, the complexity of the work, and the results you can deliver when setting your prices. If you're just starting, you may need to set your rates lower to attract initial clients and build your portfolio. However, as you gain more experience and a track record of successful projects, don't hesitate to increase your rates. Be transparent with your clients about what your services include and communicate the value you bring to their business. Number 7. Creating a client acquisition strategy. To make money as a social media manager, you need a solid plan for acquiring clients. Start by identifying your target market. For example, finding if you want to work with small businesses, e-commerce stores, or personal brands. Knowing your niche will help you tailor your marketing efforts and find clients who need your services. Utilize your social media platforms to show your skills and build your brand. Share tips, case studies, and examples of your work to position yourself as an expert in social media management. Networking is also crucial. Reach out to potential clients directly on LinkedIn, join relevant groups, and attend virtual events. Offer a free consultation to demonstrate your expertise and let potential clients see the value you can provide. Number 8. Providing value-added services. To differentiate yourself in a competitive market, consider offering value-added services beyond standard social media management. For instance, you can provide paid advertising services, SEO-optimized content creation, email marketing, or influencer outreach. Offering a broader range of services makes you a more valuable asset to clients and allows you to charge premium rates. Assess each client's specific needs and tailor your services accordingly. For example, a small business looking to boost brand visibility might benefit from influencer partnerships, while an e-commerce store could require advanced Facebook ad campaigns. Staying up to date with new features and trends, such as emerging platforms or innovative content formats, will allow you to provide unique services that others may not offer. This not only enhances your appeal, but also helps build long-term relationships with clients. Number 9. Utilizing freelance platforms and job boards. Freelance platforms and job boards are excellent starting points for finding clients and building your social media management business. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to create a profile, list your services, and connect with clients looking for social media management help. Start by bidding on small projects to gain experience and build positive reviews. Once you've established a solid reputation, you can apply for more complex and higher-paying jobs. Moreover, job boards like FlexJobs, Indeed, and ProBlogger frequently post remote social media positions. Make sure your profile and proposals highlight your skills, experience, and any relevant success stories. Tailor your applications to each client's specific needs and show how you can add value. Being active on multiple platforms increases your chances of finding the right clients and securing steady work. Number 10. Growing your own social media brand. Building your social media presence is essential for showing your skills and attracting clients. Use your platforms to demonstrate your expertise in social media management. Share content that offers value, such as tips, strategies, and industry insights. Create a professional LinkedIn profile and regularly update it with your latest work and accomplishments. On platforms like Instagram or TikTok, show behind-the-scenes glimpses of your projects or share success stories. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your audience to build a community around your brand. A strong personal brand not only helps you attract clients, but also positions you as an industry expert. As your following grows, your online presence becomes a living portfolio, making it easier to secure new clients and command higher rates. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.